Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a look at what many consider the best solution for moderate dry eye relief, Genteal Tears Gel Drops. Specifically, we're focusing on the Genteal Tears Lubricant Eye Drops, Moderate Liquid Drops, 0.51 Fluid Oz. So, let's get into it. If you've ever experienced the discomfort of dry eyes, maybe from screen use, dry weather, or allergies, you know how frustrating it can be. Your eyes feel scratchy, irritated, and sometimes even painful. That's where this product steps in. This formulation by Genteal is designed specifically for moderate dry eye symptoms. It's not the thick gel for severe cases, nor is it the ultra-light version for mild irritation. It strikes that balance, offering a liquid gel texture that gives you the soothing benefits of a gel with the ease of application of a traditional drop. Once applied, users generally feel an immediate sense of cooling comfort. The drop spreads quickly across the eye surface, coating it in a protective moisture layer that helps reduce irritation and supports natural tear film function. This is crucial, especially if your eyes feel gritty or you're dealing with wind or fan exposure throughout the day. The product comes in a 0.51 fluid ounce bottle, and this listing includes 2 bottles. That's a decent supply if you're using it a couple of times a day. It's preservative-free, which is a big plus for anyone using eye drops regularly. Less risk of irritation from added chemicals. The packaging is compact, travel-friendly, and designed with hygiene in mind. Genteal's nozzle ensures minimal contamination risk, provided you use it as instructed. No touching the tip to your eye or any surface. So who is this best for? If your symptoms are moderate, meaning they occur a few times a day, especially in dry environments or after prolonged screen time, this is a great go-to product. It's not too heavy that it clouds your vision, and not too light that you need to reapply constantly. And while it's currently unavailable on Amazon, it's definitely worth keeping an eye out for restocks or checking availability in local pharmacies or other online retailers. Based on its reputation and performance, it usually doesn't stay off the shelves for long. To wrap it up, Genteal Tears Gel Drops strike an excellent balance between comfort, effectiveness, and usability. It's a reliable companion for anyone navigating the daily discomfort of dry eyes. Whether you're working long hours on a screen, dealing with seasonal changes, or simply need dependable hydration for your eyes, this product delivers. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this video helped you understand whether Genteal Tears is the right choice for you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We've got more product breakdowns coming soon. Stay hydrated, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next one.